everybody, I'm here today to tell you how to control your anger and avoid snapping. Many people have this problem where they get super angry and they just snap like a rubber band. And I'm going to tell you a few simple things that you can do to avoid snapping and really have complete control over your anger. I'm not saying that you can't get angry, but I want to really allow you to be in control of how much that anger is going to reach the environment and people around you. All right, let's get right into the goods of the video. The first thing that you need to do is stop to breathe. Now, I know that it sounds stereotypical to tell you to stop and count to 3 and take 3 deep breaths, but it really does work. When you get angry, just stop and breathe. Take 3 deep breaths in and out. And when you do that, what happens is your whole body changes. As you can see right here, I've calmed myself down completely, but I'm gonna pump myself up because I like being pumped up when I make these videos, but I've calmed myself down completely after breathing. Just stop and take 3 deep, nice long breaths. It will really help you bring down your anger level and reduce your temper. All right, I should say lengthen your temper. You want to have a better temper, not a shorter temper, a longer temper. The next thing that you can do is think before you speak. When people snap, they oftentimes will say things that they regret. They'll say horrible things to the people that they most likely love. With that being said, just think before you speak. When you're breathing, think about what you're gonna say. And even if you slow down your speech completely, you should think about what you're gonna say before you actually say it. It will really help you with regards to your anger management and reducing the chances of you snapping. Because what happens is people say things that they don't mean. They say horrible things that they don't mean, which causes them to get angry at themselves, which causes them to snap even more. So just think before you speak. The next thing that you should do is find a way to diffuse your anger. Now, for me and for many people, working out is one of the things that helps to eliminate the anger. Just working out or even working. If you have a business or if you have a job, like if you're writing blog posts for your blog, just get on that keyboard and just start typing away. Like for me, anything that is involving of work, whether it's yard work or working out at the gym or typing out something for one of my websites or making a YouTube video, whatever the case is, it always helps me diffuse my anger. So find out what works for you to diffuse your anger. Find your outlet. The next thing is get out of the situation. If you keep yourself in that situation that's causing you to get angry, you're probably going to get even more angry. You're probably going to snap even harder, right? So remove yourself from the situation. If you are driving and someone cuts you off and they're driving in front of you now and you're angry at them, you're experiencing road rage. If you continue following them, everything that they do is going to get you angry. Take yourself and remove yourself from the situation. You know, pull over onto a side street and let that person get way further ahead and then get back onto your route. Just figure out a way to remove yourself from the situation. The next thing to do is avoid things that cause you to get angry. You want to avoid anything that causes you to get angry. If you know something is going to be a trigger for you to get angry, then avoid it. Why would you want to put yourself in a likely failing situation, right? If you're trying to lose weight, why are you going to put chips and cookies in your cupboard? You're going to be more likely to fail. So why would you want to put yourself in a situation that is going to likely cause you to get angry? If you know something that is going to cause you to get angry, remove yourself from that situation. Just avoid that situation entirely. Next up, you want to look at the positives of the situation. Now that's right, there are many positives to any situation in life. No matter what happens in life, there's always a positive. There's always at least one positive thing about that situation. If someone cuts you off, all that you can think is, you know what, maybe they're going to be ahead of you and maybe they're going to allow you to slow down to make sure you drive the speed limit and then you won't get a speeding ticket. Like, I know it seems far-fetched, but you really have to think about any positives that can arise out of that situation that's causing you to get angry and snap. Last but not least, this is probably the most important, and that's understand the negative effects of anger and snapping on your body. When you get angry, all sorts of negative chemicals are released in your body. And when you snap, it just happens again and it multiplies. And that's not good for you. That's not good because it causes stress for your mind and for your body. And that's not good for your mental health or your physical health. When you realize that snapping and getting angry actually causes you harm, you're going to be more likely to not snap and not get as angry in the future, just because why would you want to harm yourself because something else or someone else got you angry? So with that being said, just really understand the negative effects that these things have on your body, and you'll be less likely to get angry and even less likely to snap in the future. And that's basically it. In this video, I've told you how to control your anger and avoid snapping. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.